This is my present to all of you on my so-called birthday that I prefer to call Happy Breath Day. Every day, all day, every breath. For we already received our present of another sweet breath riding the wave of instant change. And now, the next present is opened as our chest opens and expands, making way for the hope of a new present breath. Breathe. Slow. Gratitude. May you now in every breath forward remember that 3-word miracle of breathe, slow, gratitude. For that 3-word miracle of the instant change method is now medically proven to instantly change how you feel and reset your stress relaxation response in order to create optimum mind and body health by creating the ideal level of relaxation amidst the tension that is needed to breathe, pump blood, and make appropriate actions to stay safe and thrive. When we are breathing slowly in gratitude, we cannot be overly anxious, tense, fearful, depressed, panicky, agitated, paranoid, or in a conflict because we're breathing slow gratitude. It is proven logically and scientifically impossible. So please join me now in breathing slow gratitude together. For simply another breath. While you breathe slowly in gratitude, I want to help you make the connection between your mind and your body. First, notice your body and the continuous changing tension relaxation wave level that rises and falls with every breath. Notice on the inhale as your chest muscles tense and shorten to expand the rib cage to make room for the hope of a new life-sustaining breath. Feel the pressure and tension build, and then notice on the exhale that the tension releases as you let go. To make way for a wave of relaxation as the chest and shoulders drop into the natural relaxation phase of the exhale in the breath cycle. Breathe slower, longer, full breaths as you focus intently on the relaxation phase on every exhale. Experience that relaxation deeper than ever as you drop your shoulders and let your body go almost limp on every exhale for 3 full breaths. That is the body part of the mind-body connection, the tension relaxation wave. Now, for the trickier, more elusive half of the mind-body connection that cannot be touched, the mind. It can only be felt if we are fully present, unrushed, and undistracted. The mind and the continuous changing wave level of nervous tension of the fear-hope wave, as our fear guides us safely to the hope of another sweet breath. Focus again on breathing slowly in gratitude for having your hopes of another breath fulfilled. Now I want you to get prepared to hold your breath at the end of the next long, full exhale. once you begin holding it, start to notice that the longer you hold your breath, that the fear and tension level rises, since we will die without another breath. Notice deeper than ever that your mind's fear and the nervous tension wave is now communicating with your body's muscle tension relaxation wave and calling for some tension to expand the chest to make way for that wonderful hope of another breath that soothes our fear of death with every breath. Phew, that was a close one. It is as if fear could talk. It is saying, hey, yo, tension, we need some more tension to expand the lungs for the hope of another breath so we don't die, please. Now we have finally connected our mind and body, our continuously changing fear-hope wave of the mind and our tension relaxation wave of the body. Welcome home, back to reality, to your instant change center, where you can instantly change how you feel in your stress level anywhere, anytime, in an instant. And now we have solved the age-old mystery of how a human is supposed to feel, since observable fact and simple common sense proves that a human being is supposed to feel hopefully fearful and relaxingly tense, with the levels of feeling changing based on every breath and on what is actually happening. So feel free to take a nice deep sigh of relief, knowing that for the rest of your life, you and all of your family and friends can instantly change their stress level and how they feel anytime, anywhere, in an instant, by just returning to breathing slow gratitude, simply for another breath. And enjoy the increased feelings of hope and relaxation that naturally comes with it. Now, we finally have one simple tool of this stress empowerment tool to obtain optimum mental, emotional, and physical health, unity, and sustainability. Please join me in the deepest breaths of slow gratitude imaginable. Remember, science and common sense proves that we cannot optimize our health, wealth, or anything for that matter until we understand and optimize our mind-body connection of the fear-hope wave and tension relaxation wave of our stress-relaxation response, because that's its very job. It is responsible for every thought, feeling, action, and all performance outcomes and experiences. The present of the simplest, fastest, scientifically proven method to optimize health, unity, and sustainability has just been delivered to you. All you have to do to prevent, manage, and resolve illness, addictions, and conflict is chronically breathe slow gratitude. Now that we're aware of this priceless, empowering common sense tool, we owe it to ourselves, our family, and the human family to practice the stress empowerment tool of the 3-word miracle of breathe slow gratitude all day, every day, every breath, as much as possible, and be a part of this unified optimum health, unity, and sustainability movement to instant change the world by simply instant changing ourselves and our stress level in order to have the most optimum relationships between our mind and our body and each other together on the wave of instant change. Happy Breath Day. Every day. All day long. Breathe. Slow.